So the first thing I want to say here is don't be intimidated to do these projects. You see me loosening this screw right here. It's a 10 millimeter. All I'm going to do is just pop the screw out, pull the coil pack out with the boot, unplug it, set it off to the side, go grab the new one, push it back down. I would like to add just a little bit of that grease that comes with it on the boot to help seal it off. That grease is an insulator. It'll help keep that spark from going where it's not supposed to. Then you just tighten the screw back down, hook the wires back up, and that's it. Now this is a 4-cylinder, so you just do that same thing 4 times. That's it. You can continue to keep watching the video, but literally that's it. You just unscrew it, pull it out, unhook it, put the new one in. I would appreciate it if you watched to the end because it helps with the algorithm, but you don't have to. I'll put on some music for you. And here I am doing the very last one. If you've made it to this point in the video, thank you for watching the whole thing. I would appreciate it if you gave it a like and subscribe. There'll be more of these, as mechanical things always break down and you're always having to replace them. Most of these projects are pretty easy to do and you can do in your own driveway with basic tools, so don't be afraid to tackle these. You don't always have to take a vehicle to the shop. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.